guys, it's So Unicorn Lovers, and I am with Anaya, another YouTube channel.
Hi.
Tell them your YouTube name.
My YouTube name is Anaya Deville.
So please go subscribe to her. She only has one video up right now.
Yeah.
Mainly because she got demonetized.
Yeah.
Mainly because of copywriting. But we are doing a slime. Who can make the best slime challenge?
I'm gonna make that.
We have our stern. We have 3 glues, so we're each gonna have a glue and a half. We have yellow food coloring, my favorite color, green food coloring, red food coloring, blue food coloring, blue glitter, red glitter, white glitter, gold glitter. Makeup glitter, more of. And I'm going to be storing mine in the same container I am keeping it in.
And I'm gonna be doing it here, and I'm making 2.
So yeah, she's doing 2 different slimes. So why don't we just get started? Shall we? Yeah, get that off before you get some of the slime. You know what? Let's just get started. Alright, start. We're starting, Anaya.
Okay.
I gotta take off the lid. Oh, yeah. This is my second time making slime handmade. Oh, that sounds satisfying. Oh, this is gonna be a big slime. Nice. We're gonna have big slime.
Yeah.
Maybe you should have just bought 2 glues. That would have been enough. We have Tide as activator.
Yeah. Speaking of that, I'm gonna go and get it.
No, don't get it.
Summer, set this over here somewhere.
Oh.
Like Chris's bike, please.
Alright, we are back. Alright.
Okay.
So, now, wait, you've already got your glue and a half?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take this part of the half. Open it.
Okay.
And you get that's your glue. Oh, I get more? I get more glue?
No, I'm just moving it to the side.
Oh. Aren't you going to put that in? Because the first step is to put all your glue in first. You all know
It
that.
won't fit in here if I make a big one.
So you want me to have that?
Have what?
Like put this one in my slime?
No, I'm making 2.
So you're working on this one first.
I'm working on this one.
I'm gonna go for a really pretty thing, but I don't know what. I don't want it. I don't know what color I want it either, so that's a problem. All right. That is one big slime. All right. I'm gonna scooch it up so you guys can see more. I gotta over there. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. So now I'm gonna put in. Oh, why'd you take 2?
You can pick whatever color you want.
I need to make a purple or a blue or something.
There's no more red.
You used all the red. So why don't you bring red? Okay. So I'm gonna get a blue.
Okay, I'm gonna mix my colors.
You know what? I don't know if I want blue or yellow. I'm gonna do yellow first. Fudge.
What?
You know what? Never mind.
I need
You know what? I have an idea.
I need yellow.
I don't want this one.
There's
Now it should be a nice sky blue. What happened?
I was trying to make it teal.
Teal is blue and green. You know, I don't know what you're going for now. So, now?
Oh wait, no, it's actually green. And I'm gonna have to add more blue.
I need to stir that. Ooh, look how pretty.
It's ocean.
Yeah, it's ocean blue. It's pretty. I like it. I like this. I guess I can. Love it. Candace, what's the Wi-Fi password?
Black Ocean 122.